Everybody, today we're going to be going through some NAPLAN style questions for the 2016 NAPLAN test for Year 3 Numeracy. Here we go. Question 1. Here are some cherries. Which of these shows one way to work out the total number of cherries? Well, we've got 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. You could do 2 times tables, 2 times 3, or just simply 2 plus 2 plus 2. Easy enough. Question 2. Maya is counting down by 2, starting from 15. She writes 15, 13, 11, 9. What number should she write next? We look at what's happening from one number to another. 15 to 13, going down by 2. 13 down to 11, also going down by 2. 11 going to 9, also going down by 2. So it looks like minus 2 is the pattern. So 9 take 2 will be 7. Which toy is the cheapest? This is as simple as just picking the smallest number. 32, 60, 41. You can start off in the tens, and the smallest number in the tens is a 2, which is smaller than the 4, the 6, or the 3. So 29 is the smallest. Question 4. 3 teams played a game. The tally shows the number of points scored by each team. Team A had 8 points. What was the total number of points scored by all 3 teams? So this is just the tally system, obviously, where anything that looks like this is 5. So we've got 5, 10, 15, plus 3, 1, 2, 3, will make 18. We've got another 4, another 2, them 2 together will make 6. So 18 plus your 6 will be your total amount. That is 24, which can obviously be shown in pure addition, like this. 8 and 6 is 14, 1 on 1 is 2. Question 5, how long is the nail? You have to look where the nail starts. It starts at the 0, reaches this line here. It goes all the way up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're 1 centimeter each. It goes from the 0 to the 4. That's obviously 4 centimeters. Question 6. Jan drew this picture of a fish tank. Which fish is second from the bottom of the tank? This one's clearly the one at the bottom. So this must be the one that is second from bottom. Small little fish looking to the left. Looks just like this one. A is our answer. Question 7. What shape is missing from this square? Now, a question like this can be quite tricky, but this one is an easy example of a tricky question, and I'll tell you why. This shape here has got 2 knobs and 2 little cutout sections. This one only has 1 knob, so that can't be it. This one has 3 knobs. That can't be it. This one has 2. This one has 2. So it could be either of those. But our knobs are not on opposite ends. This is opposite ends, or this is opposite ends. That is not what is happening here. They're next to each other. So something like this. These are at opposite ends. So that cannot be right. It has to be this one. Question 8. Which arrow points to the number that is halfway between 5 and 25? To go from 5 to 25, Jump once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Half of 4 jumps is 2 jumps. 1, 2. And as we can see, 15 is 10 away from 5. 15 is 10 away from 25. Clearly the answer is 15, which lines up with Q. This grid shows a pattern. Each row has a different shape. Each column has a different shading. Some shapes are missing. Which shape is missing from the bottom right corner of this grid? So let's see what patterns we can make. In this first column, everything seems to be blank. In this column, everything is checkered. It's got the little crisscross pattern. In this column, everything is black with white dots. In this column, it's the other way around. Everything has the white background with black dots. So that means that what should be here should be following the same pattern that we've seen up here. It'll be white background with black dots. So that crosses out 2 of our options. If we look at the rows, these are hexagons, a 6-sided shape. These are diamonds, 4-sided shape. These are triangles, 3-sided shape. So we can ignore my drawing of before. And here we've got a trapezium. So that's a trapezium. This will be a trapezium as well. It will be a trapezium with white background and black dots. So that must be the right answer. This is one of the harder questions in the test. Question 10. Bella invited some friends to her birthday party. 8 friends came to her party, but 5 could not come. How many friends did Bella invite? So there's 8 that attended. There are 5 that did not. They either had to come to the party or not. They're the only 2 options. So if we just add those 2, that will tell us how many were invited. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's it. Thank you for that. I hope that wasn't too difficult.